Hello guys, we got here some packs. Pulls get something good. Summer Cat, okay? Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Another one. I'm only gonna get Summer Cats. Oh okay, legendary. I think it's alright like. Might it finally something good. Let's see the fifth egg. Summer Cat again. I'm only gonna get Summer Cats. Bro, only Summer Cats. I have nothing to say right now. Let's go no Summer Cats. Again, I'm a lil luck. Summer Cat bro, I already packed 6. Okay, now eggs with my wins. Let's go. Sun Bull, okay. Sun Rabbit the bottist. Okay. Unicorn the bottist bro. Okay, now let's see what I got. Unicorn. Thanks guys for watching my video, bye bye.